In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to simplified view on Google Chrome Mobile. If you've ever opened an article on your phone and been overwhelmed by ads, pop-ups, or cluttered layouts, simplified view, also known as reader mode, can make your reading experience cleaner and easier on the eyes. I'll show you how to turn it on in Chrome for Android, and I'll also clarify what to do if you're using an iPhone. On Android, Simplified View is tucked behind a hidden settings area called Chrome Flags. These are experimental options that Google makes available for testing. Don't worry, enabling this one is straightforward and safe for everyday use. Start by opening the Chrome app. In the address bar at the top, type Chrome/flags and go. You'll see a search box on the Flags page. Type Reader Mode into that search box. When you find the setting called Reader Mode, change it from default to enabled. To apply the change, Chrome needs to restart, so tap Relaunch. Your open tabs will come back after the restart, and you're ready for the next part. Now that the feature is enabled, it's time to use it. Open any article or news story. Something with a long body of text works best. After the page loads, you should see a small prompt appear at the bottom that says Show Simplified View. Tap that, and Chrome will reformat the page into a clean, focused layout without ads or distractions. If you don't see the prompt, you can still access it manually. Tap the three dots in the upper right corner to open the menu, then choose Simplified View. Keep in mind, the option usually only appears on pages that are recognized as articles. If you're on a home page, a login screen, or a dynamic web app, you might not see it. Try opening a different article or refresh the page once. That's really all there is to it. On Android, first enable Reader Mode in Chrome/Flags, relaunch Chrome, then open an article and use Show Simplified View or the menu option called Simplified View to read without distractions. If you're using Chrome on an iPhone, Simplified View isn't supported there. For a similar reading experience on iOS, use Safari, which has its own built-in reader. With this setup, you can quickly switch to a clean, readable page whenever you want to focus. It's perfect for long reads, research, or late-night browsing. Give it a try on your next article and enjoy a calmer reading experience on your phone.